Hey guys, welcome back to Frequently Asked Questions, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to change address on the Capital One app. So on the mobile app, of course, first things first, guys, you want to open up the Capital One mobile app and sign in, okay? And what you want to do is you want to select the profile icon from the bottom navigation menu, okay? Then I want you to select personal information to basically access and edit your contact information. Here, guys, you can basically change in your address, and you can also do this through the website if you want. Just sign into capitalone.com, click on your name / icon on the top right hand corner, click on your profile to access, and you can basically edit your contact information, including your address, guys. So I hope this video helped you out, guys, and if it does, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to Frequently Asked Questions. Turn on those bell notifications, guys, to get notified of the next video, and I'll see you in the next one.